नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओतून इयत्ता 7वी विज्ञान या विषयासाठी असणाऱ्या ब्रिज कोर्स अर्थात सेतू अभ्यासक्रमाच्या सोडवलेल्या कृतीपत्रिका म्हणजेच वर्कशीट शेअर केलेल्या आहेत। हा कोर्स 45 दिवसात पूर्ण करायचा असल्याने हा व्हिडिओ विद्यार्थी व शिक्षकांसाठी अत्यंत उपयुक्त असणार आहे। शासनाने दिलेल्या वेबसाईटवर हा कोर्स मराठीतून उपलब्ध आहे। मात्र हंसिनी चॅनलवर तुम्हाला सेमी इंग्लिश व इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी आवश्यक असणाऱ्या विज्ञान विषयाच्या सर्व वर्कशीट उपलब्ध होतील। तेव्हा पुढे येणाऱ्या वर्कशीटसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा व अधिकाधिक व्हिडिओ शेअर करा।
Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 19, reference of Standard 6th, Chapter number 13. Question number 1. When the metal plate falls on the floor, it makes a loud noise. What do we do to stop the noise? What is the effect of that action? Do the actual experiment and write the observations. We try to stop the movement of the plate to stop the noise created due to falling of the plate. To stop this noise, we stop the movement of the plate. As soon as we do it, the vibration of the plate will stop and the noise of the plate will stop too. Question number 2. Spread some sawdust or mustard seeds on sand on the diaphragm of the tabla. Knock the diaphragm lightly with the finger. What do you see happening so as long as the tabla makes the sound? What happens when the sound stops? What do you understand from these observations? When the diaphragm of a tabla is knocked lightly, it starts vibrating. It keeps on vibrating till the sound is produced. Due to these vibrations, sawdust or mustard seeds or sand particles also show movements. But when the sound stops, particles also stop their movement. Question number 3. What are the vibrations of the following sound? Sitar, the string of sitar vibrates. Bell, the metal sheet vibrates. Water falling from the tap, the water dropping on the floor creates vibration and hence makes dropping sound. Saucer fall on the ground. The saucer breaks up, falling down, and the pieces vibrate. Question number 4. As shown in the picture given below, take a pot filled with water, strike it slightly on its rim. What do you see? When we see gentle strike the pot, pull off the water, the waves are seen in water. These are the vibrations that pass into the water. Question number 4b. Why are these waves formed in the pot? The vibrations caused due to striking causes the waves. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 20, reference of Standard 6th, Chapter number 13. Question number 1. If a bell is suspended in a vacuum container, will its sound be heard outside? Do you think? The answer is when the bell is ringing, is suspended in a vacuum container, it will not be heard outside because there are no air molecules that vibrate to carry the sound waves. Question number 2. What mediums do you think are needed to propagate sound? Answer. Sound needs some material medium for their propagation, like solid, liquid or gas, to travel. Because these molecules of solid, liquid and gas carry sound waves from one point to another. Question number 3. What is sound propagation? Sound is said to be propagated when sound waves spread in all directions from a source of sound. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 21, reference of Standard 6th, Chapter number 14. Question number 1 is, write the objects given in the table below is luminous or non-luminous. The objects are pen is a non-luminous, burning candle, luminous, book, non-luminous, lightning, luminous, bulb, non-luminous, tires, non-luminous, wax clothes, non-luminous, pencils, non-luminous. The lamp lit before God is luminous. Question number 2. As shown in the figure, take a straight tube that can be bent easily. Place a burning candle on a stand and look at it through the tube. And look at the candle again. What do you see? In which step do you see the proper flame and why? A candle can be seen through a straight line because light travels through a straight line. A candle cannot be seen through a bent tube. The proper flame can be seen in step 1 because the pipe is straight. Question number 3. List the things and distribute them between natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. The given things are sun, burning candles, stars and lamp. So, sun is a natural source of light, burning candle is an artificial source of light, stars is an natural source of light, lamp or gas is an artificial source of light. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, worksheet number 22, reference of Standard 6, chapter number 14. Question number 1. Classify the following objects into transparent, opaque and translucent piece of glass, paper, color glass, oily paper, white plastic, tea kettle, notebook, cloth, water, wooden cupboard, sheet of notebook, water bottle, wall, window of your home. So, the transparent items in this list are piece of glass, window of your home, water, glass tea kettle. Opaque items are paper, white plastic, notebook, cloth. The translucent items are color, glass, oily paper, white plastic, water bottle. Question number 2. Tell me with whom I can match. Group A, mirror, firefly, pinhole camera and moon. And the group B is non-luminous, inverted image, reflection, luminous. The answer of mirror is reflection, firefly is luminous, pinhole camera is inverted image, moon is non-luminous. Question number 3. List the things in your daily life which we can use as a transparent, opaque and translucent. Write it in your notebook. The transparent items are glass, mirror, tube light, glass bowl. The opaque items are wood, stones, metal, plastic. The translucent items are milk, sunglasses, vegetable oil and tissue paper. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, worksheet number 23, reference of Standard 6, chapter number 14. Question number 1. Ask your friend to stand at a certain distance from you in a big room and obtain the shadow on the wall. With the help of a torch, now carry out the following actions. Observe and take a note of the changes taking place in the shadow. The A part is, send the friend closer to the wall. Shadow will be smaller. Ask the friend to come towards you. Shadow will be larger. Next, you move away from him and towards him again. If you move away from him, shadow will be larger. If you move towards him, shadow will be smaller. Hold the torch high and then low. If we hold the torch high, makes the shadow smaller, and lower the torch makes the shadow larger. Go towards the left and then to the right of the friend. Now write where you see the shadow. If there is a torch on the left side, the shadow will fall on the right side. If the torch is on the right side, then the shadow will fall on the left. That means the shadow will always fall on the opposite side. Question number 2. Use your hands and feet to make different shadow shapes of birds and animals. In the picture given below, I have shown you how to make shadows with the help of your hand of birds and animals. You can try them yourself. Question number 3. Take a glass filled with water on a sheet of paper in the window so that it receives direct sunlight. What do you see on the paper? A rainbow is seen. Light comprises of many colors when it passes through glass full of water. It gets split up into different colors seen in rainbow. Question number 4. If you dip the wire loop in a soap water and then blow on it, soap bubbles are formed. What do you see in those soap bubbles? When light shines onto a bubble, it appears to change color. The beautiful colors of rainbow are seen in these bubbles. Question number 5. What things do you think are necessary for the formation of shadows? The following 3 things are necessary for the formation of shadows: source of light, an opaque object, and screen or surface behind the object. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 24, reference of Standard 6, Chapter number 15. Question number 1. Make a list of appliances in your home which have magnets in it: vacuum cleaner, refrigerator, microwave oven, electric fan. Question number 2. Determine whether the material is magnetic or non-magnetic among the materials in your surrounding. The magnetic materials are iron, nickel, and cobalt, while the non-magnetic materials are plastic, rubber, and water. Question number 3. Identify the magnets from the shape and find the things in which they are used. The first shape is of a horseshoe magnet. The second shape is a cylindrical magnet. The third one is a disc magnet or a circular magnet. And the fourth one is a bar magnet. Question number 4. Why is this so? Pins in a pin holder do not fall even if it is held upside down. Answer is, pins in a pin holder do not fall even if it is held upside down because the cap of the pin holder is magnetic. The B part, while we are shutting the door of the fridge, we find that it closes automatically from a certain distance and does not open unless pulled again, because the magnet is used in the construction of the door of the fridge, which allows it to close automatically from a certain distance and does not open unless pulled again. Question number 5. Write the name of the instrument in the picture and where it is used. The name of the instrument in the given picture is of magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is mainly used in ships for navigation and orientation. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, Worksheet number 25, reference of Standard 6, Chapter number 15. Question number 1. Identify the poles of a magnet you have. There are only 2 poles of the magnet, the North Pole and the South Pole. Question number 2. To make a toy using the magnetic characteristics, that is, attraction and repulsion of a magnet. Take 2 cars. On one car, place magnet with North and South Pole, and on the other car, North and South Pole. The poles in case 1 are North and South, so they will attract each other. In the next case, take 2 cars and place magnet in such a way that the poles are same facing each other. In this case, they will repel because like pole repel each other. This is an activity based question, can vary. You can make a toy of your own choice. Question number 3. Take a nail and place it steady on a table. Keep on rubbing a magnet over it from one end to another end. Do this 7 to 8 times. Now take a few pins near that nail. Write down what happens. If the pins are not getting attracted, rub the nail with the magnet a few more times. If the pins are now getting attracted, the magnet is ready. It is also called a nail magnet. A piece of iron can be made into a magnet by rubbing it repeatedly with a magnet. A freely rotating suspended magnet always points in a north-south direction. Like poles of two magnets repel each other, and unlike poles attract each other. Question number 4. Read stories of scientists' discoveries and invention. Try out various activities and different ways of doing them. Ponder over your experiences. This is an open-ended question. Try to read about the scientists like Thomas Edison. What are their discoveries and invention? They invented light bulb, motion picture camera. So by your imagination and creativity, try making a simple version of some type of activity on this and then share your experience. Bridge course for Standard 7th, General Science, worksheet number 26, reference of Standard 6, chapter number 16. Question number 1. In which galaxy our solar system is located? In the center of Milky Way galaxy, our solar system is located. Question number 2. Write the 4 types of galaxies. The answer is spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, barred spiral galaxy, and irregular galaxy. Question number 3. Observe the stars and planets in the clear sky on a dark night. Note down the various stars you have seen in the sky in your copy. You can refer the picture given above for the information. Question number 4. Draw a picture of the clear sky on a dark night. I have shown. You can draw it in your notebook. Question number 5. Observe the pole star located in the north direction. Refer the below picture for this activity. Question number 6. Listen to stories of stars and planets from your grandfather and grandmother. Try this yourself. Question number 7. Read books about stars and planets. I am giving here some name of the books. You can try them. The Secret Lives of Planets, Space, Big Books of Planets. Try and read these books. You can even read of your own choice too. Bridge course for Standard 7, General Science, worksheet number 27. Reference of Standard 6, chapter number 16. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. How many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets in our solar system. Question number 2. Write down the names of inner planets of the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the inner planets of the solar system. Which star is the center of our solar system? The Sun is a star in the center of our solar system. Question number 2. Arrange the following planets in proper order. Earth, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Saturn, Neptune, Mercury, Uranus. The order is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Question number 3. Identify who I am. The red planet, Mars planet, the hottest planet, planet Venus, the stormy planet, planet Jupiter, the fastest moving planet, Mercury planet, life-sustaining planet is planet Earth, and the rolling planet is Uranus. Question number 4. Using the material you can find in your home, prepare a model of solar system and name each planet. This is an open-ended question. You can make your model, try and make one. You can refer my model. The bridge course for standard 7th ends here. I hope you liked all my videos. The next material or content will be coming on its way, so stay tuned and definitely like, share and subscribe Hansini. You can see many more videos, educational type, the teaching part and even some tests in the future. So please stay tuned and subscribe, like and share Hansini. Thank you so much. To see some other videos, you can tap the video coming here. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe Hansini.